I left that nigga on red, cause I felt like it. Dress me down in that rash and the run jacket. Dapper, I look fine, and my chicks define. No wonder why I do whatever I like. I do.
Guys, good morning. So today is June 14th and it is right now 7:42. So I woke up early. I'm glad. So I'm already ready a long time ago. So today I'm going to school. Today's the last day. Not the last day, but I have no school on Friday, tomorrow. So that's fine. Today is the 14th vlog. Yeah, 14th vlog. And I need to give my fishy some food. So I'll see you guys when I get out of school. Peace out. Hey guys, what is up? So I got out of school 2 hours ago. Yeah, because right now it's 4 o'clock and I got out of school at 2:15. So I got out of school and right now I'm home. They gave me one homework, which is science, again and again and again and again. And so yeah, I don't think there's gonna be that much to do. I have no school tomorrow, so happy for that. Tomorrow is Friday, so today's Thursday. Today is June 14th. It is 4 o'clock. And yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do today, but yeah, I'll see you guys later. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel where every day is vlogs, except for Fridays are Q&A, Saturdays some crazy videos, boring videos, crazy videos. I don't know, some videos comes up with my life. Okay, I'm sorry. I got it right. Okay, anyways, I'm at the pizzeria. I just ate pizza, and right now we're going to Petco, of course, always. And I'll do some videos, not the whole thing, because, like, you know, you guys always see me at Petco, like, isn't that boring? Anyways, just to make sure, today is June 14th, 2018. June 14th, 2018. And it is right now Thursday, no school on Friday. So give it a big thumbs up if you like it when there is no school. Give it a big thumbs up. Okay, so see you guys later. Bro, no pineapple. Anyways, bye. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel where every day is vlogs except for Fridays. Fridays are Q&A. Saturday and Sundays are some videos, crazy videos, boring videos. I don't know. Anyways, I am going to end this video by saying gracias por ver este video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe si no lo hiciste, and give it a big thumbs up. Dale un like, por favor, if you liked this video, please. And go check some of my other videos. You know, this is the 14th vlog, which means we already passed the 10th vlog, which I'm happy because, like, you know, I'm moving on to YouTube. Anyways, my hair is a mess. Today was good. We went to Petco, we ate pizza and everything, and I saw some parrots, which I was happy about. And that's it. I didn't do. Right now it is 11:43, so I am going to edit this tomorrow because I'm not gonna stay. I have no school tomorrow, so I could edit this tomorrow in the morning and do some vlogs in the morning. The 15th vlog. Okay, so I feel like this is my second time using this, right? Like in the vlog. Yeah, I think so. So comment down below if I should do some music videos, like covers. Cause I was thinking I should. Like Sundays, Saturdays and Sundays, I'll teach you guys how to train, like a dog to sit down or something. I feel like that's a good idea because I love animals. Anyways, make sure que le dé like, suscríbete y comenta abajo preguntas y videos y todo eso. Y ves otros videos, los otros videos que yo he subido. Bye.